Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, how are you all?
Your classes miss? No? Your classes miss क्या? Give me my copy then.
Okay, so students, first of all, let's have a quick recap what we have learned in last class. In last class, I told you how to find out 10 more than, 10 less than, 100 more than, 100 less than. So let's revise it. Ten more than. So student, I told you that when we have to find out 10 more than, what we need to do? We need to add 1 in the tens place digit only. Okay, and the remaining digits means ones place and hundreds place will remain same. Okay, only tens place digit will change. Okay, when we find out 10 more than or 10 less than. Okay, so let's see, first we'll find 10 more than. Let's take a number 428. Okay, so what is 10 more than 428? Okay, so what I told, so we can write 10 ones as 110. Okay, 10 ones is equals to 110, so we'll add 1 in the tens place only. Okay, this is our tens place, this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. So we'll add 1 in the tens place only. In this we'll add 1. Okay, so if you add 1 in 2, you will get 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 4 will remain same, and this will be 3, and the ones plate will also same. So 10 more than 428 will be 438. So as you can see here, only tens place digit will change here. Okay, here it was 2, now it is 3. Okay, and the 100 place digit is 4, here also 4, here ones place digit is 8, and here is also 8. So only the tens place digit will change. Okay, if we find out 10 more than, we add 1 in the tens place. Let's have a let's take an other number. So now you tell me, what is 10 more than 579? Student, what is 10 more than 579? Yes, very good. So 589. Okay, so 100 place digit will same 5 ones place digit will also be same 9. Only this will change tens place digit. Okay, 7 plus 1 8, only we have to add 1. Now 10 less than, 10 less than. So for less, what we need to do, we subtract 1. Okay, for more we add 1 in the tens place, and for 10 less we subtract 1 from the tens place. Okay, so let's take a number. Student, don't copy this in your notebook. Okay, no need to copy it, just listen. 439 is there, so we have to find out 10 less than it. So for 10 less than, we subtract 1 from the tens place. Okay, so 3 minus 1 will be 2. Okay, so 4, it will be 429. Only the tens place digit will change. Here it was 3, Now it is 2. We have subtracted 1 from tens place. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Now tell me what is 10 less than 759. 10 less than 759.
729.
Yes.
749.
Yes, yes, very good, mashallah. So 749. Okay. Only the tens place digit will change. We will subtract 1 from 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. That's why we are taking 4 here. Okay. So to find out 10 more than, we add 1 in the tens place, and to find out 10 less, we subtract 1 from the tens place. Like this, 100 more than. So student, what we do to find out 100 more than? Can you tell? Yes, very good.
Sir, everyone is copying my.
No need to copy, student, no need to copy this. Okay, don't copy. So to find out 100 more than, what we do? We have to add 1 in the hundredth place, because it is 100 only. Okay, we have to find out 100 more than a number. So we'll add 1 in the hundredth place. Let's take a number. Okay, this is ones place, tens place, and hundredth place. So add 1 in the hundredth place only. Okay, so it will be 4 plus 1 will be 5. Then these two digits will remain same 76. Okay, only the hundredth place digit will change. So 100 more than 476 is 576. Now tell me 100 more than 288.
What you taking?
100 more than 200. Yes, mashallah. 388. Only 1 we will add in the 100th place digit in this. This is 100th place digit. So add 1 in this. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. Okay, and these two we will write as it is. So 100 more than 288 will be 388. Now 100 less than. So for less than, we subtract 1. Okay, so here we are subtracting 100. So we will subtract 1 from the hundredth place. Here we have a number 958. Okay, this is ones, tens, and hundreds. So from 100 place we will subtract 1. Okay, from this place. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, and these two digits will remain same, 5, 8. So the number will be 858. 100 less than 958 is 858. Now tell me 100 less than 546. 546. Yes. Yes, what about others?
446.
Yes. 446. Subtract 1 from the 100 place only. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So 446 will be 100 less than 546. Have you all understood it? Everyone?
Yes,
Okay, so student, now everyone open your maths book Open page number 80.
It is your am I right? It is your maths period. Am I right? Yes or no? Nobody is telling me that. Okay. So everybody please take out your maths lexi book.
Everyone opened this?
And we were on what?
Okay.
We have to have you all I am asking you that what was the homework?
Yes, students. So here one puzzle is there. We have to solve it. Okay. Some instructions also given. So look here. This is across. Okay. So for across, you have to write answers in the row. Okay, from left to right like this. And here in down one, you have to write answers from top to bottom, means vertically. Okay. So first of all, let's do this one for across one. First part, a number greater than 900 and having digits 2, 4 and 9. So what we need to find out? Number greater than 900. Okay. So here 9 at the hundreds place. So we have to find out a number which is more than 900. And we have to make that number by using these 3 digits 2, 4, 9. So how can you make a greatest number? By using these 3 digits. So for making greatest number, you can arrange these digits in descending order. Okay. So this is first one. So first is this. We have to write answer like this in across. So first we will write 9, then 4 and then 2. Okay. So 942 will be greater than 900.
Last time I gave you homework of check out of 7 chapter.
Understood, students?
If you have any confusion in any question of check out,
Okay. So now come on second part.
First you have to raise your hand, then you can ask.
Second one
If
is
you don't have any query, then we have to start the next
90 tens.
three.
So can anyone tell what is 90 tens? 90 tens is equals to how much?
What is your query?
90 tens. Yes. Yes, in the beginning of this chapter, we have learned how to read and write counting in hundreds. Okay, in that I told that 90 tens is equals to 900, 10 tens equals to 100, 20 tens is equals to 200, 30 tens is equals to 300. Like this, 90 tens equals to 900. Okay, because look here. So 9 tens is equals to 9 tens is equals to 90. Okay, 1 0 is coming in 9. If I write 90 tens, so 90 tens will be 90 and put one more 0 after that. So 90 tens equals to 900. Okay, so in second part we have to write 900 and across. Okay, so where is second? This is second one. Okay, number 2 is written here. So here we have to write 900. Okay, now tell me this fourth one. 100 stamps less than 313. So just now we have learned how to find out 100 less. Find out 100 less than 313 and tell me.
understand it.
Which one?
Sir, I am not understand.
Which one, beta? Which one?
Last 6 adds 45%, bottom adds 65% girls. So what we do is we write these sentences if you add 45 to 65, what will you get? If you will add,
Beta, here we have to
first we have to write
find out 100 stamps less than 313. So here we are we have to subtract 1 from 100 place, not from 10th place. Okay,
so 10%. It cannot be possible.
we are subtracting 100
Out of 100%.
from 100 place. We will subtract 1. So 3 is there. We will minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 213 will be there. 100 stamps less than 313 is 213. So in fourth one we will write 213. Where is fourth one? This is fourth. Okay, across we will write. So what we will write? 213. 13 will remain same, only this 100 place digit will change.
Right here 40% or 60%. Okay. So we can change this one number.
Student, those who have not understood, write your name in the chat box. I will explain it again.
40% means class of
Harish Kamar, page number is 80. Number line book, page number 80. Mental maths corner is there.
either you can write any number can come here. 40% boys.
What are you?
Aisha Shamim.
I'm not. Yes, I'm touching this now.
60%.
Yes, unmute your mic, Aisha.
If we are writing here 45%,
Beta, which one you have not understood? Have you not understood?
it will use 55%. Okay. So number can vary.
Yes.
But here I am writing 40% boys and 60% girls. Okay. And the sum of 40% and 60%.
In down one.
You can see it here. Okay.
Yes.
Beta, we are right now we are doing across.
So let me finish this one question.
We will tell you. I will tell you later. Okay.
So can whatever
Okay.
important is
So 3 questions we have done here. Now here the fifth part.
the material of that
In fifth part, what we have to do, student? The smallest 3-digit number. Now this you will tell me. The smallest 3-digit number. I will ask one by one. Aman Sharif. Aman Sharif, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam, beta. Tell me the smallest 3-digit number.
His name is Simba.
now D part.
Yes.
In D part,
Smallest 3-digit number.
what is making 0% all on market price? This is 0% or something is very clear. In my book,
Amina Ashraf.
I'm going to unmute microphones. Please let
Yes,
me
sir.
Smallest 3-digit number.
100.
Yes, very good. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay. So in fifth one we have to write 100. Where is fifth? Here, this one. So like this we have to write 100. 100. Okay. If we subtract 1 from 1 from 100, so we'll get a 2-digit number 99. Okay, so this is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, I told that to write smallest numbers, what we do, we just write 1 in the ones place in the hundreds place. Means first we will take 1, okay, and then zeros. Okay, if you are finding smallest 2-digit number, so we will write 1 and 1 0, 2-digit number. If we are finding smallest 3-digit number, add 1 more 0 in this. If we need to find out 4-digit smallest number, so what we will write? 1 0 0 0, 3 zeros will come. Okay, and for making the greatest number we use only 99. Okay, so for the greatest 1-digit number is 9. Okay, greatest 2-digit number is 99. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. Okay, like this we can find out greatest numbers. Okay, so now 7th part is the predecessor of 800. Tell me, student, predecessor of 800.
So, is there any confusion? Any other question? You can raise your hands.
Can you tell,
If you have any other question, you can
students?
raise your hands. Like again, when I was asking about this.
799, sir.
Yes. So, everybody please come on.
799.
100.
All students, I think all students are not listening. They are not giving answers.
It's 99. 799.
Yes, 799. How, student? I told what is predecessor? One number before. Okay? Before number. So before 800 what comes? 799. So for finding predecessor we can subtract 1 also. Okay? We can find out by subtracting 1. So if you subtract 1 from 800 you will get 799. So in which we have to write? This is 7th. Where is 7th? Here. So here we will write 799. Now down one. Now we have to write answer from top to bottom. Okay. So first, one sticker less than 1000. One sticker less than 1000. So here is student one less we have to find. So for one less we subtract 1 from the ones place only. Okay. So, tell me, 1 less than 1000.
Yes, first one. What is the answer for first one? You can do any
999.
Yes. So 1 less than 1000 is 999. Okay. So 999 where we have to write in first part. So first one is this. So like this we have to write. Okay. We have to write like this. Okay. So 9 and 9 is already written here. Okay. This already written. So 999 can be written like this and down. Now third part, 20 tens. So 20 tens is equals to students 20 tens. So what you have to do? You just have to put one more zero in 20. So 20 is there, put one more zero, 200. So 20 tens is equals to 200. So in third part we have to write, where is third one? This. So 200 like this we have to write. So 2 is already written. So in between we will write 0. Okay. And here 0 already written. So 200. Now fifth one, the successor of 198. So you know successor? Tell me what is successor of 198. Successor means one number after number. Yes. Other students. Okay, so 199. Successor means one number after. So 198, then 199. So where we have to write in fifth one. Here is fifth. This is fifth. Okay. So down we have to write. So 199. So 1 is already written. Only we have to write 9. Okay. And at one place it is already written 9. 199 is there. Now last one, 100 more than 260 is also very easy. I told to find out more we add 1 in the hundreds place. 100 more than 260 is, yes, Fatima Suleiman. Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me last one. 100 more than 260. 100 more than 260.
300.
Yes, 360. Okay. In
360.
yes, in hundreds place we will add one only. So in at 100 place 2 is there. So add one more in that. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 360 will be there. So in which we have to write 360? Sixth part. Where is sixth? Here. 6 is here. So down one like this we have to write. Okay. So 360. So 3 is already written. We have to write 6 and 0 is already written here. Have you all understood it?
Now you are speaking fine.
Yes, students. Everyone.
So it will be 70%. Fine. Now fifth one. Okay, can you take one also? My part. 10% of 80 is what?
Okay.
Okay,
Mashallah, very good.
10% is 10 upon 100.
So everyone now come on review exercise.
So what will come here? This
Now it's
zero
time
will
to
this one zero, this zero will cancel this one.
do review exercise. Question number 1. Write the numbers indicated by the following.
Fine.
Okay. Here grids we have. Okay.
Now question 6. What is 50% of a dozen?
So I told in the beginning that how to write number using these
In one dozen,
grids. Okay, this the square grid, the bigger grid is for 100. Okay, one grid is for 100. So how many grids are there? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it means we have 600. Okay, so we'll write 6 at the hundreds place. Now tell me how many tens are there in this.
in question number 6,
Count
you can-
tens and tell me.
after question mark, you can increase, you can draw a line here and okay. So the answer of question
Yes, student, how many tens are there?
The answer of question number 6 is
4 tens. Yes, very good. 3 tens are there only. Look, in this one strip, this is a tens strip. Okay, so 110, 110, 210, 3 tens. Okay, 3 tens are there. So we'll write 3 at the tens place only. Now how many ones? Count how many ones?
20. So now 25 on the 25.
These are ones.
25 for the 1 for the 4.
5 ones. Very good.
So what will come here? 5 will come here.
So 5 will write here. Who is singing? Better behave yourself. So what number formed, student? 635. We will read this number 635. Now in second one we have an abacus. Okay, this is abacus and beads are here in each spike. So according to this you have to write the number. Do it by yourself.
Okay, right now आपके साथ Yes, Nadia. Question number 8. What is 75% of 100 marks?
Yes, students.
Suppose that you have got 75% marks in maths. So what is the total number of marks?
Beta page number. Okay, 742. So let's check whether you are correct or not. So first of all we'll count from the hundreds place. Okay, 100 spike. How many beads are there at 100 spike? So let's count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 beads at 100 place. So we'll write 7. So here at the 100 place we have 7 beads. So we'll write 7 at the 100 place. Now come on 10 spike. 1 2 3 4. So 4 beads are there at the tens. So we will write 4 here. Now at one's place 1 2. 2 at ones place. So the number will be 742.
So 100 we cancel 100, only 75 to be left here. So that's why 75 marks are there.
Okay, so
Now
this question number 1 is completed. Now come on question number 2.
Over 8 and 30. So 10 is left here. Question number. Yes, sure.
Okay, so student, here also some grades are there. So you have to
Question number 9 is
count and
15%.
tell the answer. Okay, options are also given here.
1000
3 options A, B and C. So which one is correct? You have to put the tick mark on that. Okay,
and 15.
which of the following numbers matches the pictures that shows 200, 3, 10 and 14 ones? So on that you have to put the tick mark.
60% of 10,000. Can you tell me about this one? So let me check it. 6,000. You are telling 6,000. Let me check it. 60% is 60 of this multiple sign and 10,000.
So student, find out which is correct.
10,000 come like this. Okay. So with the help of these two zeros, we can cancel these two zeros. So 6 on the 6.
Can I have some kacha please?
Three zeros are here. So it will be 6,000.
Here's my box, Ashina. It's not comfortable anymore.
Yes, you can tell the answer.
Which is more? This is interesting question.
That's 244.
Yes.
Bob, in which picture of this?
Yes, so most of you are saying that 244 is correct. So let's check. So how many 100 grids are there? 1, 2. Okay, it contains 100 small cubes. Okay, so this is 100 and this 200s are there we have. Okay, 200s. So in each number 2 at the 100th place. Now come on the 10th place. Okay, so how many 10s are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 10s, but here we have 14 ones. Students, here we have 14 ones. So for what we will do, we will regroup it. Okay, so take out 10 from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Multiply by 100 rupees. So what will come here?
So this 10 will make 110. Okay, so it will add in this.
So 10 to the 20.
So here we will have 4 tens. Okay, 3 tens are already there and 1 10 come from this side. So 4 tens. So 200 and 4 tens is 40. So 240, and how many ones will be left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 244 will be the correct answer. Okay, we have 200s. So 2 is there at the 100th place. How many tens we have? 1, 2, 3 and 1 10 come from this side. It will become 4 tens. So 4 tens. And how many ones left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at the ones place. So 244 will be the correct answer. Now come on question number 3. A postman received 2 cartons of toys. 1 carton, second carton. Okay. Rahul's carton having 356 toys and Aditya's carton having 135 toys of the same kind. Okay. Rahul's carton have 365 or Aditya's carton have 135 toys. The sender forgot to write the names of the boys. So the sender forgot to write the names. Here you have to write the names, correct name on the correct box. Write the correct name on the correct carton. So this is bigger, students. So in bigger more toys will come, means this is bigger number 356. So 356 will come on this or this, in the bigger one, because 356 is bigger number. Okay, so who is having 356 toys? Rahul. So it means this is Rahul's box. Okay, and Aditya is having only 135 toys, so it will come in the smaller box. Okay, because Aditya is having less toys. So this is Aditya's box. Okay, this is bigger box, this is smaller box. So there are more toys. Rahul have more toys, 356, so it will go in this bigger one. So this is Rahul's box and this one is Aditya's box. Have you all understood it?
Aditya's.
Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Is there any?
Yes, sir. I have understood. Yes, sir. I have understood.
Okay,
Yes, sir. I have understood.
mashallah. So student, you can revise these questions also. What we have learned, you have to revise it at home. Okay, and inshallah we will do.
How will you solve this question?
Student, I have taken wrong questions here because
Just you like it only, okay?
we were doing page number 18, review time.
Nothing.
So we have done wrong questions here.
Okay, now I am solving this question myself.
So
Everybody pay attention here.
come on page number 81, students.
Mariam Shakir, unmute the microphone.
81.
What are you telling? This thing.
We have to do this page.
Okay.
Okay, 80 we have already done.
Yes.
Page number 81 we have to do, but we have done page number 83 by mistake. So question number 2 is given here. Write the number names of the following numbers. Okay, so numbers are given here, you have to write in word form. Time is also going to finish.
Okay, let me solve this one question. Okay.
So let me tell you one first part. 298 is there. So start writing from the 100 place. 200 is there. So TWO2 and 100. 200.
So 31 is what?
98. Okay.
25%.
NINETY 90 and 8.
If we have 25%.
Okay, like this we have to write. 298. Second one is 860. So write 8 EIGHT 8, then 100 HUNDRED 100 and 60. Like this you have to do this.
So how much
Okay,
we left? 85%.
and
We left.
question number 3.
And what percent each meter ice cream? Not
But time is also not there, students. Next class will start at 10:30. So complete this question number 2, okay, and share on WhatsApp. Mental math corner and question 1 and question 2 you have to share on WhatsApp only. Okay.
We have not done this. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think that we have to add this to this.